Today we're going to be testing a new weapon made by Tippmann Arms. We're at a public range here to where we can run a few rounds through it. We've got various ammos. We've got an old box of Federal, probably older than I am. We have some Blazers and we have some Remington targets that we're going to run through it and just see how it feeds. The mags are really unique. Push a button, it slides apart, and then you have a spring release to where you can load all your ammo pretty easy. Stand by and we will go ahead and load one up and shoot. First will be the Federals. This time it'll be Blazers. Now we'll try some Remingtons. Ladies and gentlemen, Tippmann Arms performed very well with different types of ammo. No misfeeds. The barrel rate on this is 1 in 16. Make a fine weapon for anybody that would like to use it as a family weapon and or suppress, which we will do that video here in just a few minutes. Mr. C brought his suppressor and his license so we can test it out, and that video will be next. Thanks, and come back and see us at Morgan Arms.